What is up, Good Vibe Tribe? I'm Shemaine and welcome back to the Mirror Table. Today we're doing another high fashion DIY. Go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up because you know, like always, it's going to be fire. And today we are doing Streetwear King Balenciaga. You guys know that is my favorite. So we're going to be doing these Balenciaga distressed baggy twill jeans. So let's take a look at them. They go for about $1,290 and I think we can do them. I think the only challenge will be is finding a pair of jeans that look similar to these. And I guess we'll have to go thrifting and hopefully we can find a nice pair, but I think it should be pretty easy to distress them. So let's take a good look at them. So it looks like there's just a couple of cuts in each leg, and then there's some distressing up near the pocket, and then some more distressing near the knee. I think that should be pretty simple. We'll see. And then we're gonna do a DIY top to match it, and then we will style it. So remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and let's get to it. So I came back from thrifting and I found the best jeans. These are vintage Guess jeans that I picked up, and they're like really oversized. So I'm gonna have to do some minor alterations to the waistband. I just love how baggy they are, and I can't believe how much they look like the original Balenciagas. I mean, from the color and the fading in the front of the jeans, I mean, they look so much like the Balenciagas already. So I can't wait to distress these. So I'm going to make my first cut. And then I'm going to just rip the jeans so I can get some nice fraying to the jeans. So I just do a little cut on the other side, and then it's going to rip that on the part and just really start that fraying process. Now I'm going to do some more cuts and really start distressing these jeans. This took a long time. This took me all day. So I kind of see why these jeans are rather expensive. If someone has to sit here and do this by hand, it's a lot of labor, a lot of work. It took me all day. So what I'm doing is I am pulling out the vertical strings and leaving the horizontal strings so that I can get that nice natural distressed look. So now I'm going to throw them to the washer so that I can get them even more distressed, and I'm going to work on a DIY top. And if you want high fashion streetwear, you must have a t-shirt. So this is a Mountain Dew t-shirt. I love the graphics on this t-shirt, like the checkered black and white check on the green. This is really interesting to me, so I'm going to cut it up and make it really cute. Also, I made the PRADA bralette in white and black, so I'm gonna probably style the jeans with one of these. This was so cool to make, you guys. I hope you check out my other video on this. Let's check out the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't believe that I found these jeans that were so similar to the Balenciaga jeans. I think this came out just like perfect. I mean, it's just like it looks like the original, except for the Balenciaga name, of course, but the jeans came out really nice. I love the tops that were styled with it. So I hope you enjoyed this high fashion DIY as much as I did. And once again, remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of our Good Vibe Tribe, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.